If you are looking for a luxurious residential project in Thane, Rustomjee Lavi must just be the perfect fit for you. Located in the bustling neighborhood of Rustomjee, Albania, this project offers world-class amenities and luxurious living spaces for its residents. Welcome to Rustomjee Lavi, where luxury meets comfort in the heart of Thane West. Today we are taking you on exclusive tour of this beautiful design sample flat. After the successful handover of clusters like Rustomjee Ethna, Acura, Asteria and Asiano, Rustomjee developers are back again with most awaited pre-launch Thane project codenamed Rustomjee Lavi, featuring 45-story tower with rooftop amenities, offering 2 BHK balcony apartments with a host of amenities and advantageous location. Located with easy access to the Eastern Express Highway and Thane railway station, residents can easily commute to and from work. The neighborhood also has various education institutes, healthcare facilities and entertainment centers, making it an ideal place to call it home. With its soaring towers and rooftop amenities, this project redefines luxury living. From a refreshing swimming pool to a serene yoga area, Rustomjee Lavi leaves no stone unturned when it comes to providing its residents with a holistic living experience. Whether you are looking to stay active or unwind after a long day, there is something here for everyone. And the best part is, Rustomjee Lavi offers luxurious 2 BHK apartments starting at just Rs 1.28 CR all inclusive, with a possession stated for December 2026. Now it's the perfect time to make Rustomjee Lavi your new home, with carpet area starting from 670 square feet to 684 square feet. Prices of these apartments starts from 1.28 CR and goes till 1.32 CR onwards. Some of the luxurious amenities in this project include swimming pool, kids play area, gym, yoga, jogging area, sports court, amphitheater, library and many other. If we talk about the location advantages of this project, then it is 10 minutes from Thane station, 40 minutes from Dadar, 20 minutes from Airoli, 50 minutes from BKC, 30 minutes from Powai and 55 minutes from Nariman Point, with easy access to educational institutes and many other important landmarks of the city. The stamp duty of this project is 5%, and this is brought to you by Rustomjee developers, who are a well-known developers in the city. And this is a Maharashtra approved project. So if you're ready to experience the pinnacle of luxury living in Thane, then look no further to Rustomjee Lavi Thane. Book a site visit today and subscribe to our channel for updates, and like, share and comment on our videos also. Until next time, happy house hunting.